Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another jewelry item by Jeulia, but this time there is a giveaway. That's right. Do you want to know what I received and what is going on with the giveaway? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Jeulia got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to review another jewelry product. And I did have my eyes set on one, and I've said it in the other videos. So I'm like, you know what? This is the third time I've been looking at it. So let's go ahead and get something that's a nightmare before Christmas. That's right. So in here, I chose a jewelry item that's Nightmare Before Christmas, and I will get into this and show you. And then after, I will tell you all about the giveaway and what is going to be done with that. So stay tuned for the giveaway in a little bit. All right, you guys. So one thing I do need to say is the last item that I got was this ring right here. It might be like a little dirty, but this is the ring that I got from them the last time. And I wear this every single day. Every single day. I have worn this every day since I did film that video. It has not tarnished. It has not changed. It is still sparkly. And every time somebody was like, oh, dang, girl, you got hooked up. And I'm like, yeah, it's not real. It's a real stone, but it's not a real diamond. And they like look at it and they're like, no way, that's not real. I'm like, it's not a real diamond. It's a real crystal, but it's not a real diamond. And nobody can tell the difference. And they're just like baffled, just like I am. So I love this jewelry. The bracelet that I have, I absolutely love. I tend to bring that out on special occasions because I don't want it to break. But this ring, I shit you not, I wear every single day and I am in love with this. So let's go ahead and unbox my new item. Let me go ahead and take this off. There's a hint of where this new one's gonna go. So there you know. I haven't got a necklace yet, so I thought that would be the best thing. And yeah, I would like to eventually get another ring like for my middle finger, but I need to still get that one sized. And their ring sizes go from 3 to 15 and half sizes in between. So I got to get this one sized so I can get another one. So it comes in this box. It does have a mailer bag that I remove, but this is the box that it comes in. I really like how chic and classy the box looks just with the black and the silver. So when you open it up, they have you all set up if you want to give this as a gift. They do give you a little bag, and there is, I think it's jewelry care, or no, there's actually a greeting card inside. And then inside here should be the cleaning cloth. Yes, there is a cleaning cloth that is inside this little guy that's inside of the bag as well, with a greeting card that you can actually write something on there. And then if you are giving it as a gift, you just put it down inside of this gift bag and you're all set. Write your card, you're all set. So there is a little pamphlet in here that goes over like their newer collections. They do have a new mermaid collection that is now available. It talks about the stones and how they're prepared, and it goes over the different collection. All the newer items are in here, which you guys can go to their site and they will be linked down below. And you can see all of the different beautiful jewelry that they have to offer. Okay, so then underneath that, you have this that says stop. You need to make sure that everything fits and everything before you remove the tag. I'm not sure if there's a tag on a necklace, but on the ring there was. So it's, if you are purchasing it, it says make sure everything is good because they won't return it if you cut that tag off. So if you do order anything, make sure you check and inspect everything first before removing the tag. And then down inside is the jewelry item. I like the way that they've designed their box or packaging because how everything fits is just perfect. So then here's the actual box. And then when you open it up, there's the item inside. And I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so it looks like they have the chain in one bag and then the necklace in another bag to keep it protected. So no, there's not a tag on this. But you guys, look at how pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. That is stunning. Oh my gosh. And you guys know that I love my Nightmare Before Christmas. And, oh, okay, so there's this little clasp in the back of it where you can remove, can you remove it? Yeah, if you didn't want this thing and you just wanted the head, you can just leave it like that and you would have just Jack's head. Come on, Tracy. And you would have just Jack's head. Or you can put this back on there and have that part hanging, which of course I want on there. So let me put it back in here. So this just lifts up. Hold on, let me open it. So it lifts up like that, and then it just closes, it clamps back in there. So let me get this guy back on here. And now we're back in action. But there's that. Ooh, I love it. And that diamond is so sparkly. Well, it's not a diamond. The crystal is so sparkly. It reminds me just like my ring. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And I love, look at, see? I love Nightmare Before Christmas. There's Nightmare Before Christmas. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, this is stunning. Now, I do want to go ahead and tell you about their stone, just in case you might have missed my other two videos, because I think this is very vital information that you should know about the company, because I just want to tell you about their gemstones. So, the Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. So they do have a little chart that goes over Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond? Yes, yes. Durable? Yes, yes. Hardness is a 9 for Jeulia and a 10 for the mined diamonds. Density, 5.70 for Jeulia, 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced, yes for Jeulia, no for the mined diamond. Potential harmful mining, no for Jeulia, and yes for the mined diamond. And the price, you spend a whole lot more money for a real, and you get a fraction of the cost for Jeulia's gemstone, which I can't tell the difference. Honestly, I cannot. I have real rings and they have the real diamonds, and when I hold it to this one, I mean, this is just so shiny. Even still, like months later, look at how shiny this is, and I've never cleaned it yet, and I wear it every single day. So, measuring an impressive 9 out of possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant colors. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our Jeulia to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the marketplace that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. White diamond colored stone is what I have, and it has the same brilliance and durability as a natural diamond, but at a fraction of the cost. For centuries, diamonds have been adorned by women and men and was regarded as a symbol of eternal love. Today, diamonds are still the most precious and valuable stone in the world. Diamonds are associated with celebrities and royalties alike. They do have a 30-day return policy. They have free standard shipping of any order over $99 or more, and they have a 1-year warranty. All of the material that they use is 925 sterling silver, and they have flexible financing and secure shopping. So definitely check them out. The link will be down below. I do have a code, SheCrafty15, and that'll get you 15% off. anything on their site that you would like. And again, I now have a bracelet, a ring set that I love, and now this beautiful necklace. Oh my goodness. Now, let's get talking about the giveaway. They were kind enough to pass down to you guys an item. So what we're going to be doing is I'm partnering up with them to do this giveaway on behalf of them on my channel. So here are the rules for the giveaway. 1, there will be a link down below. You must follow that link and only choose one item on that page. They are their personalized items, so you can actually get it personalized for yourself if you have a children's name or initials from your kids or your parents or anything like that, or just your own, or find something that is just really cute that you don't need to actually personalize. But follow that link and only choose one item that is on that page only. If you switch to another page and you put an item number that is not participating in this giveaway, then you will be disqualified, because what you would have to do is use the item number, whichever one you like the most. Put that item number in a comment down below on my video here. So you must like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You must be subscribed to my channel, that's number 1. And then you must leave one comment down below and have the item number to the item that you are requesting from the link that's down below, only from that link. Now, this is open internationally, and I'm so glad to be able to say that. So for all of my international subscribers and viewers, you can be included in this particular giveaway, which is amazing. I'm so glad that they're opening this giveaway internationally. I personally can't afford international shipping, so my giveaways have all been just US addresses. So I'm so glad to be able to do a giveaway that's open internationally. So this is open internationally, and you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal or parent or guardian enter in for you. For security reasons, we need to only be communicating and sending something to an adult. And then if you do have an Instagram, please follow them on Instagram, because they are trying to grow their Instagram page, and that's where they do post new and upcoming jewelry items. So I am subscribed to them. I love seeing their photos because it just makes me want more jewelry. But if you do have Instagram, please follow them on Instagram. I will have them linked down below as well, so you can definitely check them out. Follow them on Instagram, so then you're up to date with all their new products. And that is everything, and that's how you would enter. So like this video, be subscribed, leave one comment with the item number of the particular product that you would like if you do win. And you must be over the age of 18, and you can live anywhere. As long as you have an address, you can live anywhere. This is open internationally, US, everything, which I'm so grateful for. And this will run for 1 week. So down below, we'll have all the official rules, and we'll have the exact end date. This will run for 1 week. At the end of the 1 week, I will then use a random comment picker to choose a comment. If in that comment you have the item number and it is a part of the giveaway collection only, then I will comment back to you. I will tell you, congratulations, you have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim your prize. Then I will then get some information from you. I will then give it to the company so they can figure out how you want it personalized, and they will get your order sent to you. So they will be the ones sending you the item, not myself, because they need to prepare it, because again, it is a personalized item, which is amazing. So follow the link down below, check out that site, come back here and put in the item number that you're requesting. And in 1 week, that item may be yours. So that is everything for this giveaway. That is everything for this particular item, which is, oh my gosh, this is stunning. Their stones, you guys, are just stunning. They're beautiful. They're very durable. I don't even have a scratch or anything on my ring. And again, I wear this every single day, and I'm not lying. This is on my fingers every single day when I leave the house in the morning. So I am so glad to have this. So thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another amazing jewelry item for me to keep and to review. And thank you so much for adding a giveaway to my viewers so somebody else can enjoy your products just as much as I do. And again, if you do want to check them out, use my code SheCrafty15. Save 15% off your order. I love everything that I have so far. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you. comment down below. Let me know, have you looked at this company before? Have you tried anything from them? Have you heard of them before? I am just blown away by how good of quality the jewelry is. I've been contacted by so many other companies because they've seen the videos that I'm doing for them, and I'm not even going to accept anybody else. I'm only going to have this company on my channel because I believe in this company. They do amazing work. I am thoroughly pleased with their products, and I don't want to just keep bombarding you guys with different jewelry companies. So I'm just sticking to this one company that I know does amazing work. I have it, I see it, I wear it, I know it. So I'm not going to be bringing on all these companies that keep getting a hold of me. I'm only going to bring this company to my channel to show you guys amazing jewelry items. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, I'm so excited. This is open internationally. So check out those personal items. If you see something on there that you like, come back and leave that item number on your comment. And good luck to everybody entering in. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.